Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Tina. In this video, I'm just briefly introduce the communication between components. Then we'll have videos talk about each case. Okay. In modern front-end frameworks or libraries, the entire page is divided into multiple smaller components. Like in React, okay, we have a component-based architecture, which can split our entire page into different components, then stack them together, organize them together. So in this kind of architecture, it makes it easy to develop and maintain an application. And during the development, we may come across a situation where we need to share the data with other components. And this is related to our topic, which is communication between different components. And React provides several methods for handling the component communication, each with a appropriate use case. Like between parent and child, we have two, because in React, it's a one-way data binding. It's either from parent to child or either from child to parent. We will also have siblings, which is the communication between sibling. Okay, communication between sibling, we have two ways to do: either combine parent to child. Between sibling, one way we can do is we lift the state up to the closed sensor, which is parent, and from parent share with each of the child. This is one way. The other way is we can do is use a publisher and a subscriber. Then in React, we have to use the third-party library to do a publisher and a subscriber, communicate with each other. The other one, we can use a context API to do that, like use context thing. The last one, not the last one, okay. We can also use a centralized state management with Redux, okay. If you're interested, you can look at my Redux playlist. And besides Redux, we also has like other state management. Like there's one similar to Redux is called Duststand, and there's another one called there's another way recently get lots of attention, which is using atomic state management. Like the API I looked before, which is called the Jotai, this one, but I'm still learning about it. Okay. Called Jotai. There's another I couldn't remember. This one is for atomic state management. Okay, which is also very interesting. If you're interested, you can also take a look at it by yourself. And I'm still looking at all the APIs provided by Jotai. Okay, when I'm ready, I'll make a video about it. Okay, so now here. Understanding communication components. Component communication refers to the transfer of data between components. Depending on the nesting relationship of the components, there are different communication methods. Suppose this entire page on the left side is divided to multiple components. This A will refer to the red one. And then we'll have other ways, other parts. The other parts are, let me use another color, okay. For this part, it refers to the B, okay. And then for you guys shouldn't know, okay. You are okay. So this part, my bad. How can I erase? Can't do erase? What's that? Okay, sorry, it's a little bit slow because I didn't have my writing pad with me. I'm using a mouse. So this part, the center part, this is the B. Okay, the B. Okay, I just do the outline. Okay, then the blue, which is the right side. This part is this green box. Okay, and then we're gonna have more. The more I'm going to use a highlighter like this center, this one in the C is this green, this part, and this part will equals to this component, okay. and then we're going to have the center, the left, right side. These three box, these three. Okay, so that is how we divide it. Now, when we talk about the communication, suppose from A to B, okay, then it's a parent to child. From B to C, these are sibling, okay, these are sibling. From A to E, and because A to E, it's a great parent, right? Great grandpa. So it's a cross-layer communication. And how we handle the communication by the one by one? Oh, that's one missing. Suppose from B to A, or C to A, or E to C, then it's a child to parent. And we have different ways to handle communication one by one, okay? So the first one I will talk about in next video is about parent-child. So see you in next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.